Hello, students, and welcome to the state class of Physics A levels. In this class, we will continue with the chapter of kinematics, and as yet, we know about speed, velocity, distance, displacement, acceleration, and deceleration. Here, we will learn about some graphs, right? अच्छा अब ग्राफ्स दो तरह से आते हैं समटाइम्स ग्राफ्स गिवन होते हैं और आपने उनकी इंटरप्रिटेशन गिवन करनी होती है एंड समटाइम्स एक सिचुएशन गिवन होती है उस सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंगली आपने ग्राफ को कंस्ट्रक्ट करना होता है ग्राफ को स्केच करना होता है सो इस केस में मैंने कुछ ग्राफ्स पहले से ही बना दिए हैं वी हैव वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ्स आपने इन वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ्स की डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखनी है वी विल राइट डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट द वेलोसिटी एंड अबाउट द डायरेक्शन also about the acceleration. So velocity is a vector quantity and we have already decided कि एक साइड पर velocity let's suppose right side पर velocity का साइन पॉजिटिव है तो opposite direction में velocity का क्या साइन होगा opposite direction में velocity will be considered as negative. ठीक है राइट साइड पर velocity पॉजिटिव तो लेफ्ट साइड पर velocity का साइन नेगेटिव कंसिडर होगा एंड द एरिया अंडर द velocity time graph represents the displacement or you can say distance covered by the object. Okay, what is the gradient of velocity time graph? Repeatedly हम इस चीज को पढ़ते आए हैं कि gradient of velocity time graph will give you the value of acceleration, right? So firstly we have a graph जिसमें एक horizontal line है. So अगर आपने acceleration को represent करना है, so इसकी description आप लिखेंगे that object has constant या uniform velocity. Object is traveling with constant velocity या uniform velocity. Constant और uniform का same मतलब है. For example, अगर object की velocity है, let's suppose 8 meters per second. Throughout it is continuing its journey with 8 meters per second. This is called constant velocity. Next we have this velocity जिसमें object की velocity throughout zero है. So we will say that in this case, in case 2, velocity of an object is 0. It has 0 velocity and 0 acceleration and ultimately the object is present at rest. Right? Moving on to the next one, case number 3, graph number 3 को जरा गौर से देखिए. You have a straight line graph and initial velocity is 0 and velocity is increasing uniformly. So how you will describe this situation? You will write that this is uniformly increasing velocity. Uniformly increasing velocity. And what about the acceleration? This has constant acceleration because straight line has constant gradient. Acceleration is constant. Now in example number 4 you have a different graph जिसमें आपके पास falling line है. Falling line का मतलब ये है कि velocity is reducing to 0. It means that this is decreasing velocity and because the graph is a straight line, it is uniformly decreasing velocity. So you will write the description. This is uniformly decreasing velocity. And as the object is slowing down, its velocity is reducing, it is decelerating. So this is uniform या constant deceleration. Constant deceleration. Constant deceleration. Let's move on to the next one, the fifth one. And you can say that velocity is increasing but the gradient of graph is decreasing. It means that velocity is increasing but with decreasing rate. So description लिखेंगे increasing velocity at decreasing rate. Increasing velocity at decreasing rate. And what about the gradient? Gradient gives the information of acceleration. Keep in mind that this is not deceleration. It is acceleration but with decreasing rate. तो इसकी description होगी it is decreasing acceleration. Decreasing acceleration. right? This is not deceleration because deceleration में ऑब्जेक्ट की स्पीड कम होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. आपका वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ या स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ जो है वो नीचे वाली साइड पर आएगा, फॉलिंग लाइन होगी जिसका ग्रेडियंट नेगेटिव होगा. सो दिस इज नॉट डिसेलरेशन. अभी तक कोई भी डिसेलरेशन का केस नहीं आया इंस्टेड ऑफ वन जिसमें यूनिफॉर्म डिसेलरेशन थी. वंस अगेन इन सिक्स्थ, दिस इज अ वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ जिसमें वेलोसिटी वंस अगेन इंक्रीज हो रही है. So it is increasing velocity and the gradient is also increasing. So you will write it is increasing velocity at increasing rate, increasing velocity at increasing rate, right? So it is increasing acceleration. This is increasing acceleration, right? Moving on to the graph number 7. In the seventh one, we have decreasing velocity, but the gradient is reducing. Line is becoming less steep. So you will write this as decreasing velocity at decreasing rate. Decreasing velocity at decreasing rate, right? तो ये किस तरह की deceleration है? It is decreasing deceleration. Decreasing deceleration, right? Okay, moving on to the eighth one. Eighth one is once again deceleration. So it is decreasing velocity at increasing rate. मतलब शुरू में वेलोसिटी रिड्यूस हो रही है कम रेट पे, उसके बाद वेलोसिटी रिड्यूस हो रही है ज्यादा वैल्यू के साथ. सो इट इज इंक्रीजिंग डिसेलरेशन. दिस इज इंक्रीजिंग deceleration, right? Moving on to the ninth one. Now, what has happened to velocity? The sign of velocity in the ninth one is now negative sign, or negative sign with velocity represents opposite direction. So ninth की क्या description होगी? Ninth की description में आप लिखेंगे it is constant velocity but now in opposite direction. Constant velocity but now in opposite direction. अच्छा, what is acceleration? Horizontal line की acceleration 0 होगी. इसका मतलब ये है कि horizontal line का gradient 0 होता है. That's why acceleration is 0. Now coming on to the 10th one. अच्छा, अब जरा ध्यान दे, सारी की सारी velocities negative है तो एक चीज common हो जाएगी throughout, that the object has opposite direction. ठीक है, जब भी वेलोसिटी का साइन रिवर्स हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, आपको हर केस के साथ लिखना पड़ेगा इट हैज ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. नाउ वी कैन क्लियरली सी दैट इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज 0 एंड देन द वेलोसिटी इज बिकमिंग मोर एंड मोर नेगेटिव. सो वेलोसिटी इज इंक्रीजिंग बट इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सो यू विल राइट इट इज यूनिफॉर्मली इंक्रीजिंग वेलोसिटी, यूनिफॉर्मली इंक्रीजिंग वेलोसिटी in opposite direction. Uniformly increasing velocity but now in opposite direction because all the negative velocities have negative sign with them. And what about acceleration or deceleration? Because the velocity is increasing, this is case of acceleration and the graph is a straight line. That's why it is constant acceleration. So it is constant acceleration. Okay, now you don't have to get confused because whenever the velocity is reaching to 0, it means that velocity is reducing. मैं आपको एक hint देता हूँ. Whenever the graph is approaching x-axis, velocity must be reducing. And whenever the graph is going away from x-axis, the velocity must be increasing. Right? So because the velocity is ultimately getting 0, so this is a case of deceleration. So it is uniformly decreasing velocity in opposite direction. Why uniformly decreasing velocity? Because graph is a straight line. So you will write uniformly decreasing velocity in opposite direction. Uniformly decreasing velocity, but now in opposite direction. And what about acceleration or deceleration? As we can see that this final velocity is 0, this is case of deceleration. So this is uniform deceleration. Uniform deceleration. ठीक है, आप कह रहे होंगे ग्राफ खत्म ही नहीं हो रहे। भाई जितने सारे केसेस हैं मैंने सारे ही केसेस को कवर कर दिया, इसके अलावा कोई और केस रह नहीं जाएगा। सो chunk by chunk, situation by situation, you will be familiar with all the possibilities of velocity time graphs. Moving on to the 10th one, once again initial velocity is 0, finally the velocity is increasing with increasing rate but in opposite direction. So 12th की description क्या लिखेंगे? आप लिखेंगे increasing velocity with increasing rate, and because the velocity is negative you will mention in opposite direction. So this is increasing velocity at increasing rate in opposite direction. मैं शॉर्ट हैंड लिख रहा हूं, आपने कंप्लीट लिखना है एग्जाम में, राइट? सो दिस इज केस ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग एक्सेलरेशन. इंक्रीजिंग एक्सेलरेशन. अब स्टूडेंट्स आपके बच्चों माइंड में आ रहा होगा कि वेलोसिटी तो भाई नेगेटिव में इंक्रीज हो रही है, बार बार मैं आपको रिकॉल करवा रहा हूं नेगेटिव में वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है, नेगेटिव इज जस्ट देयर टू शो द डायरेक्शन. तो हमने डायरेक्शन को मेंशन किया है माइनस साइन की, इससे ज्यादा कोई सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं है कि इट हैज ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. यू हैव टू लुक ऑन द मैग्नीट्यूड. इफ द मैग्नीट्यूड इज इंक्रीजिंग इट्स अ केस ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन, इफ द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेलोसिटी इज डिक्रीजिंग इट्स केस ऑफ डिसेलरेशन. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. ओके, लेट्स गिव यू अनदर हिंट. आई एम गिविंग यू अनदर हिंट. आप एक्स एक्सिस को रिफ्लेक्ट, आप ग्राफ को एक्स एक्सिस में रिफ्लेक्ट करके देखें, ग्राफ इज लाइक दिस. नाउ लुक फॉर द सिमिलर ग्राफ इन अबव केसेस. इस वाले केस को आप सर्च करें, ये वाला है केस नंबर 6, राइट? दिस इज इंक्रीजिंग वेलोसिटी एट इंक्रीजिंग रेट. बच्चों जो इसकी रिफ्लेक्शन की डिस्क्रिप्शन है वही इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन होगी. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग वेलोसिटी एट इंक्रीजिंग रेट बट नाउ इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सो इट इज केस ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग एक्सेलरेशन, राइट? Moving on to the 13th one. In 13th, you have initial velocity which is 0, and then velocity is increasing but with comparatively lesser rate because line is getting less steep. पहले line ऐसे है और उसके बाद it is becoming flat. So it is increasing velocity at decreasing rate, increasing velocity at decreasing rate in opposite direction, right? And because the velocity is increasing but the rate is decreasing, you will write this is decreasing acceleration. Decreasing acceleration. It is case of decreasing acceleration. Moving on to the 14th one, जिसमें आपके पास final velocity 0 है, so it is definitely deceleration. So this is decreasing velocity. Steepness देखे लाइन की शुरू में कम है, फिर ज्यादा है, फिर ज्यादा है. So it is decreasing velocity at increasing rate but in opposite direction. So it is decreasing velocity at increasing rate in opposite direction, right? And what about acceleration or deceleration? Because the object is slowing down, this is case of deceleration, and the gradient is increasing, so it is increasing deceleration. So increasing deceleration, right? Shabash. Move to the next one, which is something like this, in which final velocity is reducing to 0. So it is case of decreasing velocity. What about the gradient of the graph? It is reducing and becoming less and less. So it is decreasing gradient, so decreasing deceleration. So graph की description लिखे, decreasing velocity at decreasing velocity at decreasing rate in opposite direction. Opposite direction. And what about deceleration? This is decreasing deceleration. Decreasing deceleration. Now, these were all the cases of velocity time graph. कितने cases हैं total? 15. अगर आप इनको recognize कर सकते हैं तो situation में इनको sketch भी कर सकते हैं. For example, एक complex situation है, part by part चल रही है, तो basically continuation of graphs आएगी. शायद आपको इन graphs को जोड़ना पड़े, इनको combine करना पड़े. So in that case, आपने इनको बड़े ध्यान से करना है, right? So we have to do a lot of graphs and a lot of related questions, but we will do that in next class. So stay tuned. अभी graphs खत्म नहीं हुए. We have a lot of work to do. Thank you.